In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add background image in Wix. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to manage the background image available in any page that you have developed through Wix on your website. All that you have to do is access Wix on your dashboard and then choose the option to edit your site. You will be redirected to the Wix website editor, and in here, using this menu at the left side of the screen, go over to the fourth option, so site design. It is going to be this little font or this A icon with a little paint drip. When you click on this option, you will be able to change the color theme, text theme, page background, and then page transitions. So what we're looking for is going to be page background. When you choose this, you will see plenty of options that they have here, preset that you can choose from, and you will see the change immediately. So as you can see, when you choose any of these backgrounds, they will be reflected on your page immediately. You can also apply them to other pages by clicking this option at the bottom and then choosing the appropriate pages where you want to apply this background image. Of course, you can upload your own, and the option is going to be available over here at the top. So you can choose between a color, an image, or a video. So you can just choose from these options and follow the instructions on screen. You will be able to upload your own media to Wix and then use it as the background on your page. For this video, I'm not going to do it, but you just have to click on this button here, and then you will see the images that you have uploaded to your account. You can also explore medias from other websites and services by using this option at the left, and everything, like I said, should be reflected immediately upon choosing any of these options here, and you can assign them to different pages. It is super simple to do, and Wix offers a lot in the way of customization and managing different pages. I hope I was able to help you on how to add background image in Wix. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.